Hello everyone, welcome to Simple English Hub, where we help you learn English in a fun, easy, and practical way. Today, we are going to cover a very important topic, how to ask for forgiveness in English. We all make mistakes, whether at work, in our personal lives, or even in casual conversations, but knowing how to apologize properly is a key communication skill. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to apologize in English, but didn't know the right words? Maybe you just said, "I'm sorry," but it didn't feel strong enough. Or maybe you weren't sure how to apologize professionally at work. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to apologize like a native speaker, covering different levels of apologies, polite and formal ways to say sorry, emotional and deep apologies for personal relationships, and even how to accept an apology gracefully. We will also have interactive exercises, role-playing, and practice sessions, so that by the end of this lesson, you will feel confident in apologizing in English. So, grab your notebook, stay with me until the end, and let's get started. Before we dive into the different ways to say sorry, let's first understand why apologizing is so important. Apologies are not just about saying the word sorry. A proper apology helps rebuild trust, maintain relationships, and show sincerity. If you apologize properly, people will respect you more and appreciate your honesty. However, a bad apology, one that sounds insincere or rushed, can make things worse. Let me give you an example. Imagine your friend is upset because you forgot their birthday. You send a quick message, "Sorry about that." Do you think this will make them feel better? Probably not. Instead, imagine saying this: "I feel really bad for forgetting your birthday. You are very important to me, and I should have remembered. Please forgive me. I will make it up to you." This sounds much more sincere and meaningful, right? This is the power of a good apology. Now, let's explore different ways to apologize, from casual apologies to deep, meaningful ones. In everyday life, we make small mistakes all the time. We might bump into someone on the street, step on someone's foot, or forget to reply to a message quickly. These situations don't require a long, formal apology. Instead, native speakers use quick, casual phrases. Some common ones include, "I'm sorry about that," "Oops, my bad," "Oh, I didn't mean to," "Sorry," or "Sorry about that, I didn't realize." For example, if you accidentally spill coffee on someone, you can quickly say, "Oh no, I'm so sorry," and the other person might respond with, "It's okay, don't worry about it." But what if your mistake is bigger, like being late for an important meeting, forgetting an appointment, or making a work-related error? In such cases, you need to apologize more sincerely. Instead of just saying, "Sorry," you can say, "I want to sincerely apologize for being late," or "I take full responsibility for what happened." These phrases show that you understand your mistake and regret it. At work, we often need to apologize professionally, whether to clients, managers, or colleagues. A professional apology should be polite and respectful. Some commonly used formal apologies include, "I sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. I regret the mistake and will ensure it does not happen again," or "Please accept my apologies for the oversight." On the other hand, when apologizing in personal relationships, the tone should be warm, sincere, and emotional. Simply saying "sorry" might not be enough. Instead, you should express your regret in a heartfelt manner, such as, "I'm truly sorry for hurting you. It wasn't my intention," or I feel awful about what happened. I hope you can forgive me. If a friend is upset because of something you said, you can tell them, I am so sorry for what I said earlier. I wasn't thinking clearly, and I regret it, and hopefully, they will respond with, I appreciate your apology, let's move on. Sometimes, even after apologizing, people might not be ready to forgive you right away. In such cases, it's important to respect their feelings and give them space. Instead of pressuring them, you can say, I understand if you need time, but I truly regret what happened, or I respect how you feel. Please, let me know when you are ready to talk. This shows maturity and understanding, which makes it more likely for the other person to forgive you in time. Apologizing is not just about fixing a mistake. It's about showing that you genuinely care about the other person's feelings. A great example of a sincere apology happened to a friend of mine. He had a big argument with his best friend over a misunderstanding and didn't talk to him for weeks. One day, he decided to send a heartfelt message by saying, Hey, I just want to say I am really sorry for how I acted. I was wrong, and I value our friendship too much to let this come between us. I hope you can forgive me. His friend appreciated the apology, and they were able to rebuild their friendship. This shows that a sincere apology can fix even the biggest misunderstandings. A good apology should always be sincere, take responsibility, and show that you have learned from the mistake. If someone apologizes to you, you should also know how to respond. If it's a small mistake, you can say, no problem, it's all good. But if it was something serious, you can say, I appreciate your apology, or, let's move past this, I forgive you. The way you accept an apology is just as important as the way you give one. One important thing to remember is that actions speak louder than words. If you apologize, but keep making the same mistake, people will stop believing your words. So, always make an effort to improve after apologizing. If you were late, try to be on time next time. If you hurt someone's feelings, be more mindful of your words in the future. And that's it. Today, we learn how to apologize in English in different situations: casual, professional, and personal. We also discussed what to do if someone doesn't immediately accept your apology. Remember, a good apology should be genuine, express responsibility, and show that you've learned from the mistake. Keep practicing these phrases in real-life situations. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your experiences or practice sentences. Let's keep learning together.